Hello everyone, we will proceed chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Next topic is parallelogram, in which the area is base into heights, and we can also write it b into h. Here it is the figure of the parallelogram ABCD, in which we have to draw another line from D to AB as N, and from A on BC as M. So in this parallelogram, AB and BC are base where DN is perpendicular on AB and AM is perpendicular on BC. Next one is that triangle whose area is equal to 1/2 base into height, and also we can write that 1/2 b into h. As per given in the figure, in triangle ABC, here AD is a perpendicular, or we can say that height, where BC is its base. There is a note here: all the congruent triangles are equal in area, but the triangles equal in area need not be congruent. Means that अगर कोई भी ट्रायंगल देखने में एक जैसा है तो उसका एरिया इक्वल हो सकता है, बट अगर किसी ट्रायंगल का एरिया इक्वल हो तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दोनों ट्रायंगल भी एक जैसे ही हो. Now come at the exercise 11.2. We will find the area of parallelograms. That's the first question, in which you have to see a figure of the parallelogram in which perpendicular or height is 4 cm is given and base is 7 cm. We have to write it. We have to find the area. Area is equal to b into h, where b is 7 and h is 4. The multiplication is of these two numbers is 28 cm square. That's your solution. In the second one, in another figure, what is given here? Here base is 5 cm and height is 4 cm. This one. Area is base into height. We will put the values of the given base and height, and after solution we will get 24 cm square, which is the area of the parallelogram. Next we have to find the area of the triangle. As per given in figure, two things are given: base and height. Here base is 4 cm and height is 3 cm. By including the formula of area is equal to 1/2 into b into h. After substituting the value, we get 1/2 into 4 into 3, and the answer is 6 cm square. In the second one, as per given in the figure, here height is 2 cm, base is 3 cm. As per formula, 1/2 into base into height, we will put the value 1/2 into 3 into 2. 2 cancel. The answer is 3 cm square. In the third question, there are some sums related to parallelograms are given, and in the first one, which is B, we will find base. Here height and area is given, and with the help of these two things we will find base. Area is 154.5 cm square. The area of parallelogram is b into h is equal to 154.5. Value of h is 15. Put it here. Therefore, after solving it, we get b is equal to 1545 upon 15 into 10, which solution is 10.3 centimeter. We will use here centimeter because b is not a area, it is a base. In the second one, Base is given 15.6 centimeter and h is unknown. Here area is 16.38 centimeter square. Formula is b into h is equal to 16.38. For value of b is 15.6 into h is equal to 1638 upon 100. Here we have to remove the point and write it in denominator as 100. After solving that, this will come the point next. H is equal to 1638 upon 100 into 10 upon 156. Its solution is H is equal to 1.05 centimeter. Next, sums related to triangles. As per given in question number 3, here we have two base and area and we want to find the value of H. Base is 15 centimeter, area is 87 centimeter. This is related to triangle, so its formula is 1 by 2 base into height is equal to 87. 1 by 2 base value is 15 into h is equal to 87. We will take all the values right side. Therefore h is equal to 87 into 2 divided by 15. After solving this, we will find 58 upon 5. Its value is 11.6 centimeter. In the next one, base is unknown, height is given as well as area is given. So here h is 31.4 millimeter, area is 1256 millimeter square. Its formula is 1 by 2 into b into h is equal to 1256. Put its value 1 by 2 into b into 31.4 is equal to 1256. As per arranging, we will get b is equal to 1256 by 2 upon b is equal to 1256 into 2 upon 3.14. After solving that, we will get 800 millimeter, but we want to change it in centimeter, so divide it by 10, because in 1 millimeter the value is 1 upon 10 centimeter. So our answer is b is equal to 80 centimeter. Thank you for watching this. Some questions are tick marked for your practice. See it and solve it at your home. This is for your homework. And this is the another sum. Thank you.